well, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can set up broadcast campaign for your own business. And yes, you can try this for free and send 100 of messages for free to all your clients and leads. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. 100 of credits free means that you can send up to 100 of messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow, and for that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And once you try Pabbly Chatflow, then only purchase this, I'll suggest you, because right now we're offering a free trial also. Okay, so now what we have to do is we just have to come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And in order to add your WhatsApp number, you're going to get a video tutorial dedicated in the description box below. You can refer to that or click on add WhatsApp number button right over here. As you can see, I've already added my WhatsApp number. Now the next thing which you have to do is you have to go towards this contact section from the left end of the site and make sure that your contact list is created. I'm just going to show you that I've already created multiple contact lists and I'm just going to use one from this only. If you wish to create a new contact list, click on this add contact button, then go towards this add bulk contact and you have to upload a CSV file. And you want this CSV file, then you have to upload all the details of your clients and leads into a Google Sheet. Then you have to go towards this file, download, and download this in CSV format. Then simply upload this right over here and you can create a contact list like this for yourself. If you want to learn about this in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards this is also attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. Now after creating this contact list, you have to make sure that if you want to send template messages, you create the template too. I have already created this template because I want to send template message. Further in this video, I'll let you know how you can also create this. Alright, so now the main motive is how to schedule broadcast campaign. So for that, from the left end of the side, you have to go towards this broadcast section. Once you are on this broadcast section, click on this add broadcast. Once you click on this add broadcast, you have to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign, enter the broadcast name. So let's say I'm just going to keep the name as free trial right over here. And now for the contact list, this is the most important. That's the reason I told you create the contact list before starting creating this broadcast. What you have to do is you just have to select the contact list right over here. You can select multiple contact lists like this too. And now I'm just going to only select a single contact list because this is a test broadcast. You can select multiple according to your own choice. Now it is asking me for the message type. So you have two methods, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you want to send a regular message, select regular message, select the message type right over here, enter the message, and you can further send this message. The next which you have is this template message. So if you go for this pre-approved template message, first of all go on this template section from the left end of the site and open this. Now if you want to create a new template, click on this add template button and create your own. I have already created mine, so I'm just going to use this only, which is named free trial. I'm just going to go towards this select WhatsApp template, search for my template and select it. After I select this template, it is asking me for the body field 1. So as you can see that in front of this hey is 1 in curly brackets and this is body field 1 because this is a variable which I've added right over here. I want that this one should be replaced with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message, so that each of my lead and customer receives a personalized WhatsApp message with their name in it. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to keep this field as dynamic, and in order to do this, from the left end of the side you have to go towards this settings and then towards this contact custom fields. And once you're on this contact custom fields, you're going to see that these 4 fields will be already created, which is name, mobile number, last name and first name, because these are universal fields. Now what you have to do is you just have to copy the field name and paste it right over here. And yes, if you want, you can definitely create some temporary too, and you can definitely copy their field name and paste it right over here too. I've added a single variable, but you can add multiple variable of dates, time and so on. So as you can see, I've successfully added this body field 1, which is this dollar name, and now you have to click on this done, and this this template is selected. Now you have to enter the username and phone number. So what is this for? So we are sending this template message to a lot of people all together. So let's say I want to try before sending it to 100 of clients and leads. So what I can do is I can simply enter my details and click on this send test message. Now a test message will be sent to this number. So let's open our WhatsApp, and as you can see, a message something like this only will be sent to our customers and leads. So we can test this broadcast before sending it to multiple people. Alright, so that's the reason we have added this send test message right over here. And the next is this schedule broadcast. So the first option is, like, if you want to send this broadcast instantly, you can click on this no send instantly and click on this add broadcast button, and instantly this broadcast will be sent. The second option is schedule for later. So if you wish to schedule this for later, click on this yes schedule for later and enter the date and time right over here. And for that, you just have to keep in mind the format, which is month, date, year, and then the time. And you can select this right over here. Going to see the calendar. From here you can schedule this broadcast. So I'm just going to schedule it for 13th of January 12 p.m. and I'm going to click on this add broadcast. Once we click on this add broadcast, you're going to see this broadcast is scheduled for 13th of January 12 p.m. And now once this broadcast is going to run further, I can view the analytics of the same. I can go towards this view stats, and from here I can check the sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed too. So go and try this amazing broadcast campaign setup for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.